Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. It's done with chicken, cheese, and it's delicious. Not many ingredients, super easy to make, and the smell and the taste are amazing. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to pat dry your chicken breasts. I'm using 3, and let's slice each into 3 or 4 slices. Then use a hammer and let's put some salt and pepper on both sides. Also, you can add some Italian herbs. Now let's prepare the filling. I'm using 500 grams of sausage, 100 grams of cheese, and 4 marinated pickles, which I'm cutting into cubes. Now let's put it in a bowl, all the ingredients that I just cut. And now let's add 30 milliliters of milk. And now let's mix it together. Also, you can use some mayonnaise. For the forms, you should add some butter, and let's place the chicken. Now let's fill them with the ingredients and close them. Let's send into the oven in 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Now let's grate 50 grams of cheese. After 15 to 30 minutes, let's add the cheese. Then, let's send into the oven again for about 5 minutes. When it's all done, take them out and try them. Hot or cold, they are delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and try this recipe out, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.